Traditional slate black patina. Today we're going to demonstrate slate black application techniques over a variety of metal surfaces. Slate black patina can be applied both cold and hot, but you'll find that some metal surfaces respond better to hot application and some better to cold application. We'll start with a piece of aluminum. For hot patinas on any metals, we recommend a temperature of about 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This is ideal so that the metal is not so hot that it scorches the patina or not so cold that the patina begins to bead up on the metal surface. For aluminum, slate black is best applied hot as opposed to a cold application. You'll find a cold application of slate black over aluminum gives a more mottled appearance and doesn't get a nice, true, even black. To get a progressively darker color, you want to layer your slate black and gradually build up to the color, the tone that you want in the final piece. You'll notice that typical application of slate black over aluminum results in dark browns to blacks. Bronze also responds well to slate black patina, both hot and cold. Here we're applying slate black hot to bronze, and again we're using a layering technique of spraying several sprays of the slate black patina and then heating up the metal surface. And by alternating back and forth from heat application to spray application, you can progressively build up to the color that you want. Slate black patina also works well as a cold patina over bronze. Here we're applying a light spray of the slate black patina over a piece of bronze with a cold application. Cold application will also give a nice uniform black color or very dark brown. Now in this case we're actually using steel wool to pull back the patina once it reacts to give us a more of an antique bronze appearance. This burnishing technique can be used over a variety of metal surfaces to get a more antique look to your slate black patina. Now we're going to apply slate black to copper. This is a sheet of copper that we're going to do a hot application on. And here you'll see again we're layering on our slate black with just a light spray of slate black and then coming back with our heat. And again, just to reiterate, we're using about 180 degrees to 200 degrees on our metal temperature. That's a great temperature for hot patina application. You never want to get your metal so hot that your patina doesn't have a chance to react because it's scorching as it hits the metal surface. Remember that copper is a great conductor of heat, so you want to take extra care not to warp your metal when you're working with copper. You want to take extra care not to overheat your metal and to make sure you have just enough heat to get your hot patina reacting and not too much heat to distort the metal. One of the benefits to a hot application of a patina like slate black patina is that it gets us around the rinsing process. Anytime you're doing a hot application like this, you don't have to rinse the metal to neutralize it. And remember that you do have to do that anytime you're doing a cold application of slate black patina. And now here we have our finished slate black patina application, hot on copper. And now we're going to do the slate black with a cold application. Now you'll notice it turns pretty fast with a cold application, but again, we do need to make sure it's properly neutralized so we don't have the color changing. Now we're going to cover slate black traditional patina over stainless steel. This can only be done as a hot patina application, and it does not result in a true black, but more of a mottled, very dark brown. And this has to be done as a hot patina process. If this is done as a cold process, the stainless steel will repel that patina reaction. So this must be done as a hot application. Now the stainless steel did require some surface prep for this application where, in addition to the standard degreasing and removing of any kind of surface oils, we also had to apply an orbital sander to this to lightly abrade the surface in order to really get some tooth to the surface and get a good reaction with the slate black. Stainless steel is a very difficult material to get a reaction out of since it is designed to not get a reaction out of any kind of oxidizer. If you are new to the hot or cold patina application process, I would recommend checking out our other videos. Specifically, if you're interested in working with stainless steel, check out our stainless black patina over stainless steel. And that goes much more into the surface prep required to patina stainless steel. Now, slate black on steel. When you're applying slate black over regular steel, the ideal application is a cold patina application. Remember that with a cold application like this, you want to allow several minutes for the patina to lock into the metal and really grab onto the underlying metal and get a good reaction before it's rinsed to neutralize the metal. Traditional slate black patina can also be applied hot or cold over brass. Much like the copper or bronze slate black application, you want to layer that up by spraying on layers of slate black patina and then going back with the torch to heat the metal. And again, your working temperature for a hot patina like this needs to be about 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remember, once you've applied a patina, either hot or cold, but especially for cold applications like over steel or anything that might further rust or oxidize, you want to make sure you apply a clear sealer like ClearGuard or Everclear to prevent the color from changing or any other oxides from forming. Brass also responds well to the cold application of slate black patina. Just remember that slate black will need to be neutralized when used in a cold application over brass. You'll also need to apply a sealer soon after to make sure that you don't have any color change or any other oxides forming. Slate black patina can also be used over galvanized steel or zinc. For galvanized steel, the best application is a cold application. You get a rich reaction just with a light spray of slate black patina over your metal surface. Again, just like with steel, you want to allow the metal to react for several minutes to get a good color, and then it will need to be neutralized and sealed with an appropriate sealer, like ClearGuard or Everclear. Slate Black is of course available on our web store at sculptnouveau.com, and be sure to check out our other patina videos on our YouTube channel, and make sure you check out our surface prep videos for complete understanding on the patina process and the surface prep required to get good patina reactions.